Hello everybody, yes it is me, Nipsey Van Cartier, and I'm here to entertain you on this fine, glorious evening in New York City. Isn't this just a city of dreams? By the way, I had a dream about you, baby. It's gonna come true, baby. They think that we're through, but baby, you'll be swell, you'll be great. You're gonna have the whole world on the plate. Starting here, starting now. Everything's coming up roses. In the decks, in the tracks. You got nothing to do but relax. Lower kids, speaking loud. Everything's coming up roses. Now's your inning. Stand the world on its ear. Set it spinning. That'll be just the beginning. Curtain up, light the lights. We got nothing to hit but the heights. You'll be swell, you'll be great. I can tell, just you wait. That lucky star I talk about is due. Honey, everything's coming up. Roses and daffodils. Everything's coming up. Sunshine and Santa Claus. Everything's gonna be bright lights and lollipops. Everything's coming up. Roses for me and for you and you and you and you. Thank you, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful time this evening. You've all been lovely. Oh, isn't this a fun city? Oh, it's marvelous. I just love it. Oh, so brilliant. So nice. Are we done?